Hi, today I have a challenge lock for you guys. It's a shiny one. It's a quick set. It's based on quickest set keyway. It's a 5-pin. Come on, focus. It's a very shiny one, so my focus is going crazy. It's a 5-pin lock. It is number 3 by Jeffrey Post. This one was sent to me by Lebel, so Albert, thank you very much for sending it to me. I try my best to manage the focus, and this tension will work to manage the focus and to try to pick it. So yeah, let's start. 1 couple of clicks, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5. I think 5 is but it's open. No, it was very lucky. Oh, let's try again. Oh, this is very strange. Focus is doing crazy things with me. 1 couple of clicks, 2, 3 nothing, or small clicks, 4 click, and 5 click. No open now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 nothing. So now won't open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, 5. No, it's not that fast. So yeah, let's do it 1 pin at a time and commenting. 1 couple of click, 2 nothing, 3 click, 4 small click, and 5 click. I did a manual counter rotation. Click on 1, click on 2, 5 click, 3 click, 4 click. It's like going through the pins only. It's strange. So let me again. 1, 2 nothing, 3, 4, and 5, and again. Yeah, it's I'll take it now. It's like it's going through the pins 1 to 5, and if you get the right order, you will pick it immediately. It's strange. I have a key that is working, so let me try to disassemble it. It's pretty strange pick, to be honest. Let me remove a C-clip. This is I need a C-clip remover. Come on. Maybe something is wrong with this lock, or maybe the order was like crazy, or I was lucky 2 times in a row, because I tried the first time I opened it pretty easy, the second time was pretty hard, the third time was like enabled, and when I reset it the 4th time again I open it pretty easy. Let's find my tweezers. Tweezers are here. So oh, sorry, follower. Shim inside. Yeah, let's drop all the pins first. Everything needs to be big. So one is serrated or spool, two is, come on, serrated, four is serrated or two spools, four is spool, and five is spool. Awesome pins. To be honest, I'm confused now. They're very awesome pins, and all the chambers are threaded. Okay, let's go from the drivers. One, one, it's a double spool. I think that's two, it's a very nice spool, but there is like thing that it's moving inside, so very nice pins. I'm still unable to understand how I picked this lock, like so easy. Third one, it's again spool with two different or reduced diameter inside. The spring is the same. The fifth one, it's a standard tempered one. Here is the spring, and the fourth one, it's a standard tempered one, and the spring, here's the spring. Let me check the body. Come on, focus. So one, nothing. Let's try with a pick. One, nothing. Two, nothing. Five, nothing. Four, nothing. Three is threaded. Two, nothing, and one, it's thread. It's a so shiny lock. Yeah, one is threaded. I don't know what to say again. The pins are very nice. They are awesome pins. So let me show you the pins. So one is spool, two double spool, very nice sharp. Three is a double spool with this like bomb like. Four is a spool with in the middle like some part, but it's not moving, or reduce diameter on this part. And five, it's a bomb like spool. That was the key pins. The drivers are double spool. This one, there is something in between. It's a spool, but with a part. I don't know if you can see. Come on, focus. I don't know if the camera wants to see it. It's a moving part inside. Very nice pin. The third one, it's a spool but with reduced diameter in the middle, and yeah, I don't know if that's a moving part on this again. The fourth and the fifth one, they are standard with tempered, but I want to check. Let me check. Maybe I cannot understand how I picked this one so easy, because the pins are very nice. everything is very nice. Let me check. Maybe my pick was, oh maybe that's, sorry, maybe this was the lucky one. Maybe it's because I picked 1, 2, 3, 4 when I was like on pin number 5. Everything previously was picked, or I was picking all the pins with my pick, so maybe the force diamond was the lucky one. I really don't know. But anyways, that was the pin, lock pin by Jeffrey Post, number 3. So Albert Lebel, thank you very much for sending it to me. And guys, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.